Yo, what's up guys? I just got done building this desk / workbench. Now, what do you guys think? It looks pretty sick, huh? You'll never guess how much I built this for. How much did I pay for these parts? Guess. Well, I guess you would guess because I put how much it cost me in the title. I got this piece of plywood for free on Craigslist, and I got the legs that it's on from my boy Dr. Chada. Shout out to my boy Dr. Chada, my favorite chiropractor. You can check out his channel in the description below. As for the finish, I already had stain and polyurethane left over from when I did the backdrop, so that didn't cost me anything extra, and I already had lag bolts in the garage to secure the plywood to the legs. I'm gonna have to show you guys how I did this, so let's get to it. Roll montage. hope this video helped you out if you're doing your own plywood project. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you can. And don't forget to share this with your friends. I really appreciate it. Every view helps and every like helps. So do what you can. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next week.